my name is Paul and I'm the Volunteer Manager for Action Hearing Loss in Wales. This is Giving Tuesday, and so we'd like you to give your time and volunteer for us. There's lots of ways you can get involved, lots of exciting projects. So we'll start with our new project, Live Well with Hearing Loss, where you can help people in their homes get the best out of their technology that's going to help them with their hearing loss. We've also got our information and outreach project, where you can help give information to people with hearing loss in their own community. And also we've got our Online Today project, which is helping people with hearing loss to get online and make the best of the internet. Finally, we've also got one-off opportunities if you've only got time to help us on a one-off occasion, such as fundraising collections coming up. So please do get involved and get in touch. You can go to our website, actiononhearingloss.org.uk, or email us at wales@hearingloss.org.uk. Thank you.